Okay, so let me make some more text. Okay, and now let's save it and see how it looks like. Go through. Okay, in the table of contents, we see now an introduction, chapter 1, and there is, pardon, sorry, 1 and 2 page numbers. And let's see the chapter. Okay, it's look like this because we have a new line here. So if we finish the new line, it will become proper text. So let's do that. And also, we can add some figures because this part is empty. So let's add a figure also. Let's make this text a bit proper so that they can be a nice looking. Okay, this is enough. Let me save it, and then I will add one image at this point. Let's say here we need an image, a figure. Okay, so I will save it, and now click this one. This is for figures, this is for tables, this is for references. Quickly I will add a figure, add new figure. First select one, go to some, let's say this one, any figure, no problem. Now we need a caption for this, the heading that will be under the figure. So let's add this caption. This is a random photo okay, and forget this part for now. Just click add, and if you click this one, you will see a figure. I will bring this figure to this part. Okay, so if you are using Safari as a browser, first I will tell you what you need to do in Safari. I'm using now Safari. In Safari, select this one, then click this link and cut this text and paste here in the URL, and in the display just write anything you want. I will say figure 1. It's not important, it will automatically change. You can say figure X or whatever, doesn't matter, and then save. And then we will see how it look like now in the thesis. So if you see the list of figures, now in the list of figures we see a figure. It is in chapter 1, so it is 1 and point 1 is the first figure. This is the title, the caption which I gave to the figure, and this is on the page number 2. So if I click, it will take me to page number 2, and here below is the caption, very nicely formatted. So figure is here. Okay, now I will show you. If you are using Chrome, then you don't need what you don't need to do this thing, this linking type thing. It automatically make the link. Okay, so I will close from here, or without closing I can go. Open Thesis Manager in Chrome. Normally we are suggesting to use Chrome as a browser for your thesis. So let me log in. We log in with Facebook, or try to double log in. Okay, so this is my master thesis, and I will open this from here, update. And now add a figure here. So open your chapter. Sorry for the slow internet. So I delete this one. And in the Chrome, you just bring the link here and leave. Okay, you don't need to do anything. If you want to change the name, you can just change the name by double click. Okay, and you can change this name, figure 1 or figure X, anything. It will change automatically, so it's not important. So save it, and let's see. If we can still see. Okay, we can see the figure now. Okay, nice. Okay, now we can add one table to this text. Here is the table. Let me add one table. You can paste to a table from MS Office, or you can create here. You need to give a name. I will give a quick name, table 1. You can give any name that should remind you something about this table. Maybe you have 50 tables in your thesis, or maybe 30 tables, so give a nice name that will remind you. Table content, so main content will be here. I will create one table quickly. Okay, don't provide this caption or summary, anything, don't need, just select rows and columns. Okay, so name, address, city, Mahmoud, Aydın, city, Aydın, just quickly. Now I also need a caption or a heading for this table, so provide this one, table caption or title. For example, let me copy this one. Okay, and forget about this for now. Just click save. So I need to bring here this table, and if I click tables, I will see this table here. So let me bring here. It also pasted here. I don't need to do anything, but if you want to give a nice name here also, just to remind, you can say table 1 or 2 or something like that. Table of, for example, books, just for your reminder. Okay, and then click save, and then refresh this page. See, or you can create PDF from this button. Click PDF, and you will see the PDF. So let's see the table. Okay, first check the list of figures. Yes, we have a figure. Then list of tables. Yes, we have this table. Is on the page 2 and in chapter 1, and its number is 1. If I click this one, it will take me to the table. Here is the table. Okay, now let's see what else we have. The next thing is symbols and abbreviations. Okay, so they will also come automatically. How we can make them? So let's see what we can make, bring in the list. So for example, if I say button component class, let me abbreviate this as BCC. Okay, BCC, and select this one and just click the marker to make it yellow. This is enough. Okay, let me make one more, the button appearance. So it's just example, quick example. Okay, so button appear is BA. This is my another abbreviation. I want this. Just click sorry, here, and click the marker to make them yellow and save. Now if I refresh the PDF page, I will automatically see this. So let me copy this in BCC. This is my BCC, and the next one is this one. Let's say button appearance, and click save. Now if you go to the list of abbreviations, you will see automatically they are processed. And here you see symbols and abbreviations, they are automatically processed in the list. Okay, the last thing we need to add here are references. We have no references, so let me add some references. Click add bibliography, and you can add with different ways, but quickly you can click this one from reference title. So what we are looking for example, this thesis is about microencapsulation, and click send, and then wait for the results. It is indexing more than 30,000 journals, so you will find a lot of references here. So for example, this is recent advances in microencapsulation of drugs. Here, this is a nice reference. Take me this one also, and come to the below and click save, and you will see they automatically came here in the list. So if I want to give a reference here in the square brackets, in the square brackets, just drag and drop. Here, the second one, just drag and drop. Sorry for this one. Okay, so I pasted two references here. Let me save this. And if I see to the PDF, in the last we have no references, they are empty. You see this one, references, they are empty. So if I refresh, and go to the last of the page, the last of the thesis, I will see nicely formatted references. Okay, so if I go below, in my text, they are changed automatically. Ahmed 2021, this is the manuscript, the paper reference, and this one is Alipur to 2021. And if I see in the last, you will see nicely formatted references. Okay, so Thesis Manager makes your life easy. Let me see what else I can show you in this part. Okay, you can add mathematical expressions also. For example, I need to give some equation here. You click this fx, and if you already use LaTeX, you can format some mathematical formulas like this one, x and y, and or whatever you like. Just click OK, and you will see them appear here. And let me share this. What else? You can see here we are still working on this software, and we are adding properties every day. Okay, if you know HTML, you can also click the source. You can see the source code, and you can change according to your need whatever you want. So this is also a good thing. You can go full page, okay, to see more what you are writing from here. That's all. I think we are still working on this software, and you can send us email what you want, what else you want to see in this software, okay, and hope to see you get advantage of this software. So see you. I think it's enough for now.